my father, your father, his mother, her sister, our house. Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching me here on Germanclass. In today's video we learn possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? How do we use them? We'll learn in this video. So let's start with the video. Das ist mein Haus. This is my house. Possessive, belonging. Something belongs to you. Something belongs to him. Something belongs to his or her. It's all called possessive pronoun. Possessive pronomen. Mein Haus, meine Wohnung, dein Onkel, dein Vater, my house, my uncle, your father. We can use them for an object or for a person. My father is nice. Mein Vater ist nett. Oh, das ist meine Wohnung. Oh, that's my Wohnung. Mein Auto ist sehr teuer. My car is very expensive. Wo ist dein Haus? Where is your house? Ist es dein Onkel? Is it your uncle? Ja, das ist mein Onkel. That is my uncle. Dein Haus ist sehr schön. Your house is very beautiful. Deine Wohnung ist sehr groß. Your apartment is very big. You can see mein, dein, sein, ihr, unser. These are all possessive pronoun for belonging. Something that belongs to me personally, belongs to my brother, belongs to his, boy, belongs to her for a female gender. These are all personal pronoun, possessive pronoun. These are all called possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun in German. Something that belongs to you. Possessive pronoun. Now, we'll give some ending to the possessive pronoun. Very, very important part. Ending of a possessive pronoun. For that, you need to learn the articles. So, these are the articles. Der for masculine, die for feminine, and das for neutral gender. Now, we'll see the ending. For der, we use mein, like mein Vater, mein Onkel, mein Laptop, dein Laptop, sein Laptop. Any possessive without ending. Mein, dein, sein. If it's feminine, suppose die Lampe or die Wohnung, meine Wohnung, meine Lampe. Because the article is die. Meine, e ending. If it's neutral gender, das sofa. Just an example, das Auto. So what would be the ending? Null, zero ending. And the sentence and the word would be mein Auto, dein Sofa. Mein Auto, dein Sofa. These are all with possessive pronoun. If you know the article, you can put the correct ending. Article is again very, very important if you want to learn German. Article is the backbone of German language. Article is the base of German language, base of German grammar. It is the backbone of German grammar. Never skip article, never ignore the articles. Learn article on daily basis. 5 articles every day is sufficient. Once you learn the article, you feel confidence and you can improve your language skills, as well as you will not commit any mistake. So that's all in this video with possessive pronoun with ending we have seen. If you want to learn more about the possessive pronoun, just click on the link above and you can watch more videos. So see you next time with some more information and knowledgeable video. Till then, bye bye, take care.